I grew up in a manufacturing town, and many days we would be driving by old rundown factories or old buildings and never put too much thought into the people that worked there or what they were making. There was one plant in particular that made tanks for World War II. So it was just always kind of something to be proud of, but it was never on the top of mind, and I never gave it too much thought. It wasn't until I started working at NEPIRC that I realized the impact that manufacturing has on our local economy and on industries all over the world. It's been great to learn about that impact as it affects us every day, whether it's through pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, Department of Defense, you name it. And it's not only by the impact that it has on our region isn't only the products that they produce, but it's also the jobs that they provide to our neighbors. So I'm proud to be part of a team here at NEPIRC that helps those manufacturers increase efficiency and provide jobs right here at home.